Guys, welcome to Raksha's kitchen. Let us see how to make easy cucumber salad with onion and dill. Here are the ingredients. We need some cucumber, dill, honey, olive oil, salt and pepper, onion and lemon juice. To a mixing bowl, add freshly squeezed lemon juice, olive oil, honey, salt and pepper and whisk nicely. You may replace lemon juice with vinegar. The salad dressing is ready. To a bigger bowl, add cucumber slices, add onion, add finely chopped dill leaves. Now add the salad dressing. Mix well. Easy cucumber salad with onion and dill is ready. Refrigerate and serve it chilled or serve it at room temperature. Please do like, comment and subscribe to Raksha's Kitchen. Thanks for watching.